Santa is coming to town with a mask on, huh? Give me the wigs. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by Kriyya Hair. They were kind of send me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So I decided today that I was going to do a quick weave. Yes, a quick weave without the glue though, okay? And how can you do that, sis? With a half wig. It's not clickbait, I'm telling the truth. I did my hair quickly with some weave. That's it, okay? It may not be your version of a quick weave, but it's a quick weave. Somebody pissed already. Somebody is mad already. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Did I get you good? I hope my mic is on. Okay, whew. Okay, so before we get into this install, let's go ahead and talk about the unit really quick. We have seen these units all over the place, okay? We know what it is. So I wanted to spice it up a little bit and do like a little swoop action, and I'm really happy with how this came out. Now, if you're confused by what I'm talking about, this is a headband wig. Yes, it is a headband wig that I decided to spice up and do my own little razzle dazzle to, and y'all, I am here for it, okay? Like I said, this unit comes to us from Kriyya Hair. I got the water wave unit. However, you can choose your texture, so you can get body wave, curly, water wave, or straight. The starting price for this unit is $71.95. Obviously, the longer your length, the more expensive the unit is. For my specs, I got the 24 inches and my unit is $191.13. Again, choose the length that fits your budget and you'll be good to go, okay? Budget baddies assemble. We are ready to slay, okay? The unit as a whole is gorgeous. I really do like that I put the waves in this unit. Even though this is a water wave unit, I wanted to make my wave a little bit more defined because after I washed my unit, I realized that the ends of the unit were straight. It didn't wave back up as I expected it to. So I went in with my little bed head wave artist curling iron that I got from Amazon. It will be linked down below. This is like my second or third time using it on my channel, and I just love how it gives the unit, it's like an effortless type of legit wave. Like it gives it like a water wave look that dried down, and I'm here for it. Y'all, I love it. I love it a lot. And you can make the waves really tight depending on how close you put them on the, you know, the actual strand. So I'm here for this, y'all. It was so easy to do this. Obviously, it took a little bit more time because I wanted to do this for my unit. The most tedious part for this style was the swoop bang. But once I got her down, she was good to go, and I'm here for it.
Personally, I'm surprised you call me after the I said skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like we was it more than the summer flick? I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry or spill milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another vow, give me another hour or two. Hour or two. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you gotta want me? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you cool better than you do. Got me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure. We do whatever we want. Whatever we want. Love however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want. Get whatever I want. Get whatever I need. It's about do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. Why you bother me? Why you bother me?
She came out so good, y'all. This is my little edges, my little swoops right on there. So you know they flourishing, okay? They coming on through. Hello. The hair texture is really soft, but it does come with that chemical smell, so you're gonna want to wash that to get that out. I did get some shedding with this unit and a little bit of tangles here on the end, but I brushed those right on out and it was good to go. As far as the unit cap size, I will say that if you want to put this fully on like your hairline or wear it more like a headband wig, big head friendly girls can fit this, but it may be a little snug. Not too much, but just enough that you're going to know that it's snug, okay? Small head girls, you can wear this too. It may be a little bit bigger for you, but you can definitely tighten that strap down in the back, use some bobby pins, and you'll be just fine. There are no adjustable straps in this unit, so there's no other way to tighten down the unit, so use what you can use to tighten your units down if your head decides to swim in this joint. They sent me a ton of headbands, y'all. So they sent me the one I got on here. They sent me this little flower tropical joint. Got this little cherry joint. Okay. If you have a big head like me, these headbands do run a little bit smaller, so you're gonna have to put this joint on and, you know, struggle a little bit, but it's still possible. They also sent me this little rhinestone joint. Let me see. I really like how that looks. It looks so pretty. You can see my headband under that, but you get the picture. Okay, you get the picture? Yeah. I'm spitting. I'm feeling it. 24 inches on me is actually really long. It comes down past my chest, almost to my waist. And I'm pretty sure this is 150% density. Okay, moving. Now, before you say anything, yes, you can see the tracks right here in the back of the unit because of how I have the headband and how I have the swoop. I wanted my swoop to be extra thick, but if you're looking at me head on, guess what? You can't see it, okay? And nobody should be on top of my head but my man, Scoop, okay? But you can obviously wear a thicker headband and cover that joint right on up and be just fine, okay? Put it all to the side like that. Y'all see? Come on. Okay, you want to wear like a low ponytail? Look at that. Huh? Santa is coming to town with a mask on, but he coming. Okay, he's coming and we ready to slay. My list of wigs are ready. Okay, I'm not checking it twice. I don't need to. I know what I want. Give me the wigs, Kenneth. He gonna be like, girl, sit down. You got enough. Okay, you're cut off. But that's all I got for you guys today. Short, simple, and sweet. Shout out one more time to Kriyya Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Also, make sure you check out that coupon code so you can save some money on your order. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.